campsite number 3. Here we are in Nature's Hotel. We got some penitentes over there. Here's the summit where we're going tomorrow. 20,000 feet from here. Well, from the bottom, about 6,000 feet from where we are right now. Here we've got a bunch of penitentes, which are some interesting snow and ice formations that come from the wind. We've been melting snow to make water. Here's our campsite. Hola, manda saludos!
Hi, my name is Peter.
Other people camping. So here we go. It's beautiful weather so far. There's our, sometime we have to, tomorrow we're going to be crossing through all of here, through all this. We have to be careful for the glacier crevices, but we're going to go roped up, crossing through the glacier up until there. You go up and then I think it's straight around. That's actually not the summit, that's a fake summit that makes you feel like you're almost there, but you're not really there because it's behind it. Here's the day number 3. One more day to go to get to 20,000 and then another day down.